Dactinomycin Vial is a medication used to treat cancer. It works by slowing down or stopping the growth of cancer cells. This medication is usually given by injection into a vein by a healthcare professional. The dosage and frequency of administration will be determined by your doctor based on your medical condition and response to treatment. It is important to follow your doctor's instructions carefully. This medication is given through a vein by a healthcare professional, usually once daily for 1 to 5 days. If the medication leaks into the surrounding tissue, it may cause severe damage. Let your doctor or nurse know right away if you have any pain, burning, redness, blistering, or irritation at the injection site. The dosage of this medication is based on your medical condition, weight, body size, and response to treatment. Your doctor will order lab tests to make sure you can receive your next dose. It is important to keep all medical and lab appointments. Since this drug can be absorbed through the skin and lungs, women who are pregnant or may become pregnant should not handle this medication or breathe in the dust from the powder. Some common side effects of Dactinomycin Vial include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and temporary hair loss. Your doctor may prescribe medication to manage these symptoms and suggest eating small meals or limiting activity to lessen their effects. Tell your doctor if these symptoms persist or worsen. More serious side effects may include pain or sores in the mouth and throat, signs of liver or kidney problems, unusual weight gain, or signs of infection. Dactinomycin can also decrease bone marrow function, leading to anemia, decreased ability to fight infection, or easy bruising or bleeding. Contact your doctor if you experience any of these symptoms. In some cases, dactinomycin may increase the risk of other cancers, and it can cause a severe skin reaction similar to a sunburn if given after radiation treatment. If you notice any signs of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, swelling, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so contact your doctor or pharmacist if you experience any other symptoms. Before using dactinomycin, make sure to tell your doctor if you have any allergies or if you have had any recent infections, liver or kidney problems, or blood disorders. This medication can increase your risk of getting infections or make existing infections worse. It's important to avoid contact with people who have certain infections, such as chickenpox, COVID-19, measles, or the flu. To reduce your risk of injury, be cautious with sharp objects and avoid activities that may result in cuts or bruises. Before undergoing surgery, be sure to inform your doctor about all the medications you are using. If you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, it's important to discuss reliable forms of birth control with your doctor, as dactinomycin may harm an unborn baby. Breastfeeding is not recommended while using this medication. Always consult with your doctor before breastfeeding while taking dactinomycin. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work and increase the risk of serious side effects. This means it's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Never start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Additionally, it's important to note that this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, potentially causing false results. Make sure that lab personnel and all your doctors are aware that you are taking this drug. If someone has taken too much dactinomycin and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. When using Dactinomycin Vial, it is important to have regular medical tests, such as complete blood count and liver/kidney function tests. It's important to keep all your medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. This will help ensure that the medication is working properly and not causing any harmful effects. Make sure to take each dose of Dactinomycin Vial as directed by your doctor. If you happen to miss a dose, be sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist to create a new dosing schedule. This medication is administered in a healthcare setting and should not be stored at home. It is used to treat various types of cancer, including Wilms tumor, rhabdomyosarcoma, Ewing sarcoma, and gestational trophoblastic neoplasia. The dosage and timing of administration will be determined by a healthcare professional based on the specific condition being treated. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.